Anybody want to rent this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom condo in Santa Monica? The unit is located just 2 blocks off of Montana Avenue. There's a gated entrance. The unit is located on the 3rd story, located right next to the elevator for easy access. The living area is flooded with natural light. Kitchen was recently remodeled with updated appliances. There's a new washer and dryer. The first bedroom is on the main level with a full bathroom adjacent. Check out this massive loft. Perfect for an office or entertainment space. This massive deck is the perfect place to soak in the Santa Monica sun. There are 2 bedrooms on the lower level, each with its own ensuite bathroom. If you have any questions or want an in-person tour, shoot me a message.